This is a speed test between the iPhone 14 Plus versus the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now they're both on iOS 16.0. They're both the 256GB models. They both have 6 gigs of RAM. The iPhone 14 Plus has the A15 Bionic chip. The 14 Pro Max has the A16 Bionic. Let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time. See which one will have the faster boot up. I think this will be a close one. And let's go. iPhone 14 Plus versus iPhone 14 Pro Max speed test. Let's see which one has the faster boot up. This is gonna be really close, I think. Oh! As you can see, the 14 Plus is actually a little bit faster than the Pro model. Wow. And we're in. There is nothing in the background. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Identical. Messages. Same thing. Camera. Again, same thing. Hardly can tell a difference, but let me know down below. Fire up the clock on both phones. Identical again. Start this up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Same thing. I see no difference yet. App Store. Ooh, I don't know. I think that was actually the 14 Plus, but let me know down below. We'll click on this. We'll leave it there. Amazon. Oh, I think the 14 Pro Max a little bit faster, hardly any difference whatsoever. We'll click on this, leave it there. eBay. Ooh, very close. I think that was the 14 Pro Max by just a tiny bit. We'll go ahead and click on this, leave it there. Mario Run. Let's see here. Loading on both phones. A little bit faster on the 14 Pro Max. And a little bit faster on the 14 Pro Max again. But not a big difference really. Subway Surf. Oh, I'm gonna give that to the 14 Plus. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Oh, okay. A little bit faster on the A16 Bionic iPhone 14 Pro Max. However, the 14 Plus with the A15, really not that far behind. Modern Combat 5. Ooh, super quick. Okay, let's see what happens here. Which one's faster? Which one's faster? Oh my goodness. Can't tell. Slow down the video for me on YouTube and let me know down below. We'll tap to continue. And of course, we do have the PUBG. Let's see what happens here. Loading first on the 14 Pro Max, and the 14 Pro Max a little bit faster. Although not really a huge difference. Instagram. Identical. Maybe the A16 Bionic a little bit faster there. Snapchat. A little bit faster on the Pro Max. We do have Safari on both. Let's see, let's go ahead and do a Google search. I'm gonna say no thanks to that. I'm gonna do a search for the word Bionic. We'll do a search. Let's go. We'll do image search. Oh, look at that. Okay, we'll go ahead and click on this. That looks crazy. Click on this. That looks crazy. Okay, click on this. Crazy. Look at that. We'll click on this. Crazy. Okay, we'll do some scrolling here. And then we're gonna go ahead and click the see more. and we'll just scroll, right? Now the iPhone Pro Max here, the 14 Pro Max, does have the faster display. However, in browsing here, I really am not seeing that big of a difference. I don't know if it's just me or what, but maybe slightly faster on the scrolling on the 14 Pro Max, but I'm not seeing that big of a difference. All right, taking a while there to load. That could be a Wi-Fi thing. We'll click on this, and then let's see. Click on this. We'll click on the see more again, and then we'll scroll. Yeah, I'm not seeing a big difference between the two displays here as far as the scrolling speeds. So when I was doing the Samsung video, clearly that display was faster, the S22 Ultra, but here, yeah, I'm not really seeing that big of a difference. Overall, the browsing experience is not bad on both phones, very usable, no issues. So you can see. All right, enough of that. Let's go ahead and test out the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, so you can see both phones have the same amount of RAM at 6 gigs. I anticipate no reloads, but let's go ahead and just run through these apps again. And we'll have a look for any lags or any stutters. We'll document the PUBG, good to go on both phones. The MC5, and then it's gonna go ahead and reconnect. As you can see, no issues. Angry Birds 2, same place, Subway Surf. We can go ahead and resume. Practically no difference. Mario Run, Mario Time on both. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. App Store, same place. This one, wow, no difference. Clock, still running in the background, never seen that reload ever. The camera, we'll launch this real quick. Ooh, a little bit faster on the 14 Plus with the A15 Bionic. Messages, same thing. And finally, the phone app, identical, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. If you're looking for a new iPhone, did you get yourself the iPhone 14 or 14 Plus? Or did you go the Pro model and got yourself the iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max? Pro Max models obviously do have their advantages. A better camera system, the newer A16 Bionic chip, LTPO display, you get the always on display, you get the dynamic island, which to me is a little bit subjective. Some people may not like the dynamic island. They may prefer the notch of the older iPhones or this 14 and 14 Plus. But anyway, let me know your thoughts of this video in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.